and today we will see what is the Microsoft SharePoint technology. So let's begin with the discussion. Okay, so today we will not discuss any technical part related to SharePoint. We will understand what is SharePoint, and third one is the overview of the SharePoint. So let's begin. Okay, so let's start with the basic discussion. SharePoint is a web-based system developed by Microsoft. Second point is the SharePoint is a web-based. Okay, a web-based system is any system that is accessed over the intranet or the internet using a web browser, provided you have access on that system. Okay, so suppose you have SharePoint URL and you have permission to access that SharePoint system, you can access that SharePoint using a web browser. Yes. Third point is the SharePoint is a platform to support collaboration and content management system. Okay, so what collaboration means? Working together to stay connected and updated. Okay, so and next point is the content management system, that is CMS. CMS is a system for managing content centrally. Okay, and allows multiple users to create, share, approve, publish their content on the connected environment, that is over internet or the intranet. Okay, also SharePoint provides the automation and customization. So friend, we will discuss this point, that is automation and the customization in the next upcoming videos. Okay, so look at this picture. Okay, before SharePoint, there is no central management system to manage content in the organization. So basically, company use the offline document management system. That is, they save their documents or the content over the network path, shared path, or the over email. Okay, but there is some problem in that system. Okay, so let's discuss that disadvantage of the CMS, offline CMS. First is a data redundancy. File with the same content may be created in the multiple location. Okay, second part is a disadvantage is the data ambiguity. Okay, so file with the same name may be created with the different content. Okay, so that may cause the data storage issue also. Okay, data loss. Okay, suppose that the network path or share path get deleted accidentally, then that data recovery is most difficult part in the offline CMS, plus the data recovery issue. Okay, suppose anyway you suppose recover that offline storage, then finding the correct version file is also most challenging part. Okay, so but after the SharePoint created one connected environment and central content management system in the organization. Okay, so as you can see, between two department, SharePoint create one network to share the file centrally. Okay, so single point for the collaboration, centralized CMS, and web-based. So SharePoint provide one centralized web-based platform to share the company's content. Okay, so no need to share or save the content in the offline mode, that is using a network path or over the email. Okay, so because of SharePoint, company starting the saving their content on the centralized way. Okay, that is on the SharePoint. Okay, so friend, this is a very high level introduction of the SharePoint. If you like this content, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. Please add your feedback and suggestion in the comment box. Thank you friend, have a nice day, bye.